So here is the Line 6 HX Stomp. I think it's one of the most amazing pieces of gear that I've bought in years, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it a couple of months. But there's two things about it that were annoying me. So the first one was on my pedal board. When I plug in my pedal board, I just want to have one plug, and this isn't usable with a regular sort of multi-effects power supply by itself. And the other thing is the plug that it comes with, the adapter it comes with, number one, it's massive, and number two, the number of times I've plugged this in, taken it out to go to a gig, and as I've pulled it out, this bit has stayed in the wall, so I've got to the gig and I've got this bit and not this bit. So it's just a badly designed power supply in my opinion. Obviously opinions vary. So I wanted to power it on my pedal board with the same power supply that I use for all my other pedals. So I did a bit of research and I've decided to power it with the Strymon Ojai, and I'll show you how to do it. So the reason I went with the Strymon Ojai instead of the Zuma, because you can do it with either, is because I wanted something really small, and this is really small as you can see. I only need a few other pedals on my board other than the HX Stomp, and it was about 100 quid cheaper than the Zuma. So what you will need in order to do this is one of these, which hopefully you can see. It's a pedal power cable, and it's a current doubler adapter by Voodoo Lab. So you've got to use the current doubler, not the voltage doubler, and you can tell it's current doubler because it's got the green tip. So hopefully you can see that. I'll put a link in the description where you can get one of those. You also need one of these, which is a 2.1 to 2.5 mil converter, and again I'll put a link in the description to that as well. So this is how we do it. We're going to take the Voodoo Lab current doubler, and we're going to use two inputs on the Strymon. Then we're going to take the 2.5 mil to 2.1 mil cable, plug that into your Voodoo Lab converter, and that is going to go in the back of the HX Stomp. So you can only use another 3 outputs there, so you can only power another 3 pedals. So let's get it on the board, show you how it works, and then test it out. So as you can see here, I've got my little mini pedal board set up. I've got the 1 platumnus set up just as a booster. I've got the HX Stomp, I've got a tuner, and I've got a delay. And the great thing about that is obviously if I wanted to increase the pedals or put it on a bigger board, I could just get another one and link it up, which is one of the other reasons I went for that. So when you first turn it on, it's very important not to do that when you're in the bath, because you'll definitely die. So don't plug it in the bath. But as you can see, this little baby is powering this and my other pedals, all with one tiny little footprint power supply. So hope you enjoyed that video. If you liked it, subscribe, and I'll see you later.